will now be their perspective of AI in replacing teachers. Now, your topic will be your perspective on AI replacing the teachers. You will each get 1 minute 20 seconds to speak on this perspective.
Usually, this is Nihali, and I'm going to tell about my perspective on how AI should replace teachers or not. Well, I'm not going to be completely negative about it, but we're going to have some negative impacts if AI actually replaces teachers. Because when teachers are humans and the teachers, we get the connection. They try to connect with every single student trying to process what they're learning. But AI is just an algorithm which will not interpret what you're trying to learn. You will just have some algorithm teaching you and then end of discussion. But if it is teachers who's teaching you, then you will have a connection, you will understand, you will ask. You will actually have a sense of learning. But if it is only algorithm teaching you, it is only knowledge which is going into your brain and nothing is interpreting and nothing is going on. But if you are having teachers and students in a classroom atmosphere, you get the sense of belonging and there is discussion and then things actually go into your brain. This helps us in creative learning, creative thinking, which is good for our future and will give us knowledge also how to socialize with people and teachers, and discussions help you going. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sanjana and मुझे लगता है कि टीचर्स के साथ रहना बहुत अच्छा है बिकॉज उनके साथ रहकर हम बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं जो AI के साथ नहीं सीख सकते हैं. टीचर्स के साथ जब हमारा बॉन्ड बनता है हम बहुत कुछ और सीख पाते हैं उनसे, उनके मतलब जो भी उनका स्ट्रगल या फिर कुछ भी लाइफ लेसन रहा. और जब भी हमें कुछ लाइफ में कुछ सजेशन चाहिए, कुछ एनीथिंग, दे विल गाइड अस वेरी वेल. एंड मुझे लगता है जो बॉन्ड हमारा टीचर्स के साथ होगा वो AI के साथ कभी नहीं बनेगा. और स्पेशली मेरे टीचर्स जो है वो बहुत सपोर्टिव है और मेरा जो इनके साथ बॉन्ड है ना वो बहुत अच्छा है. और जब भी मैं कुछ भी पूछती हूँ मेरे लाइफ के बारे में कि कैरियर के बारे में मुझे ये करना है, मेरी इंग्लिश मैम मुझे बहुत अच्छा गाइडेंस देती है. एंड संगमेश्वर सर एंड संस्कृत सर सभी साथ भी बन सकता है जो उनके साथ कभी नहीं बन पाएगा. और आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल एंड थैंकफुल. थैंक यू.
AI అయితే ఒరిజినల్ టీచర్స్ని అయితే బీట్ చేయలేదు, ఎందుకంటే లైవ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉండదు. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా క్లాస్ జరుగుతున్నప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు నువ్వు వెంటనే చెప్పాలని మనకి అర్థమయ్యే లాంగ్వేజ్లో టీచర్స్ మంచిగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు. ఈవెన్ AI కెన్ డూ దట్, బట్ మనకి రియల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇస్తారు టీచర్స్ అయితే, ఎలాగా ఏంటి అని చెప్పి మంచిగా చెప్తారు. సో ఐ support to the teachers, not AI, not the artificial intelligence, normal teachers. And thank you.
Good morning all, this is Irsa here, and I would start talking about the advantages and disadvantages of the AI. And I personally say that the disadvantages would outweigh the advantages. Like if you see, AI has its own algorithms and stuff, and then there's so many codes and etc. But the teachers, when they tell the topic or everything, then we can understand it easily. But if we have a doubt or something, then if we ask the teacher right away, they tell us. And AI on the other hand can also make mistakes. Human also makes mistakes, but I would support that teachers are better than AI. We don't want to rely on something which was made by robots and stuff. So I personally would say, I would agree that AI should not be changed. Teachers or AI should not be replaced by the teachers.
Contestants is friendship influences a student's decisions more than family. I request all the contestants to come up the stage at once.
So the question was what do you feel about friendship? Sir? Yatin from Senior BPC. ఎందుకంటే మనకి కొన్ని ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయలేము, ఫ్యామిలీకి కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేము, అవి మనం ఓన్లీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ దగ్గర చేసుకోగలుగుతాం. సో మనకి ఆ ప్రాబ్లం వినేది వాళ్ళే, సొల్యూషన్ ఇచ్చేది వాళ్ళే, ఏమైనా హెల్ప్ చేయాలని చేసేది వాళ్ళే. ఎందుకంటే మేము పేరెంట్స్ చెప్పలేము, పేరెంట్స్ చెప్తే మనకి నెగిటివ్ వస్తాయి అప్పుడప్పుడు, అది మనకి హెల్ప్ చేయకపోవచ్చు, ఆన్సర్ హెల్ప్ చేయకపోవచ్చు. కానీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఏం చేస్తారు, హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు. దాని తర్వాత ఓకే దీని తర్వాత ఏం చేద్దాం, సొల్యూషన్ పేరెంట్స్కి చెప్దామా, ఓకే మెల్లా చెప్దాము, అందరం కలిసి చెప్దాం, సో విల్ థింక్ సంథింగ్. సో డిసిజన్ మోస్ట్లీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ మీద ఉంటుంది సార్. ఇంకోటి మన బట్టి మనం ఎంత ప్రయారిటీ ఇస్తాం అనేది, ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇస్తామా ఫ్యామిలీ ఇస్తామా, ఎంత ప్రయారిటీ ఇచ్చినా ఫ్యామిలీకి ఫ్రెండ్స్ మాత్రం ఒక పార్ట్ ఉంటుంది సార్, ఆ డిసిజన్ మాత్రం. అంతే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Venkat from Senior BPC. Sir, in my personal opinion, I feel friends make a huge impact in everyone's life. And for me, the friends I've made in my school and college are the second family apart from my own. And any problem I have related to studies or academic stress, I do share it with my parents, but I do share it with my friends more comfortably than I share with my parents. And in my opinion, a good circle leads to a good future, is what I feel. And like the saying says, nothing is permanent in life. But I feel the friends I've made in school and college are the one things who are going to stay permanent in my life. And a good friend circle is all I need, is what I feel. And the influence of friends do make a huge impact in our lives. A good influence makes us lead in a good path, whereas a bad influence nowadays in these generations do not give us a good future. The bad influence may be from different friends, but what our matters is if we take that influence or not. And in my opinion, the best one influence we can get is a good influence. And all of it depends whether we're making a good friends or a bad friends. And thank you, sir. Hi, I'm Arun. Because they are second family to us. వాళ్ళతో కొంచెం ఫ్యామిలీతో మేము ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయలేము, వీళ్ళతో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేసినాము, వాళ్ళతో అన్ని షేర్ చేసుకుంటాం. అండ్ వేరే అసలు మా ఫ్రెండ్స్కి ఏమని చెప్తే వాళ్ళు బయట వెళ్ళేస్తారు అంతా, వాళ్ళకైనా ఫ్యామిలీ వీడు. ఫ్రెండ్స్కి ఏమని చెప్పినా గోవా మొత్తం చెప్పేస్తారు బయటకి. అందుకని ఫ్యామిలీ ఫ్యామిలీతో ఎక్కువ షేర్ చేసుకొని ఫ్రెండ్స్తో ఇవన్నీ షేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అందరితో షేర్ చేసుకుంటాను సార్ నేను, అన్నీ షేర్ చేసుకోండి. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అండి, మై నేమ్ ఇస్ రిషిత. ఫ్రెండ్షిప్తో మనం ఎక్కువ షేర్ చేయగలుగుతాం ఫ్యామిలీ కంటే. ఎందుకంటే మనం ఫ్యామిలీ కంటే ఎక్కువ టైం ఫ్రెండ్స్తో స్పెండ్ చేస్తాం. ఓన్లీ నైట్ టైమ్స్ డే మొత్తం ఫ్రెండ్స్తోనే ఉంటాం కదా, మొత్తం కాలేజ్ తప్ప స్కూల్. దానివల్ల ఫ్యామిలీ కంటే ఎక్కువ ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ మనకు క్లోజ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో మనకు అలా గురించి మనకు ఎక్కువ తెలుస్తుంటుంది ఫ్యామిలీ కంటే. అంటే మన గురించి కూడా మొత్తం చెక్ అంటే बोल सकते हो उनको अपने बारे में सब कुछ. हॉस्टल में तो बहुत फ्रेंड्स हैं मेरे, मतलब सब क्लोज है मेरे को.
मैं सबसे सब कुछ షేర్ करता నేను ఫ్యామిలీ కంటే ఎక్కువ ఫ్రెండ్స్కే షేర్ చేస్తా నా మ్యాటర్స్ అన్ని అంటే థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Prithvi from S1. So, what actually means friendship? Friendship is the one thing which keeps two people connected without boundaries or limitations or anything, irrespective of gender, age, anything. So, friends are the most important part of the life. We can speak everything with them without any boundaries or limitations. If we feel so comfortable with them than with our parents. So we share everything with them, good or bad, anything that doesn't matter with them. So it keeps memorable with them, staying with them forever. So the one thing, it has two bad and good influence. Good and bad influence doesn't matter when we have good friends or bad friends, but we make memories with them. That's the most important thing. We make memories and we stay together long time. Even with our families, we don't feel that much secure. So that the friends keep us more secure than our family.
Here, the second question was influence of friendship. When these guys were telling about the influence of friendship, I recollected something. And accidentally, it is merely accident and rare coincidence. I was coming from Liberty, there was one incident, that's the reason why I became late. And even now also, I was in those memories only. Even now also, number 6 bus stop is there and next bus stop Banyan Tree was there. Wow, Banyan Tree is there, it is there. I was recollecting this memory. I finished my graduation in 1990. I had a friend, Mr. Surendranath. So, we were coming on a two-wheeler from Secunderabad, GD Petla Royal Academy. The split was under that same Banyan Tree. I should come to Mahiripatnam, I think Valudachal, and he should go towards RTC roads. So we used to live there. We used to sit there till number 6 come over. We used to get inside the bus and he was going towards RTC crossroads, I was going towards Valudachal. This was an incident in 1990. And it is accidental. We are in touch. 1990, this is 25, 10 plus 25, 35 years. You can say 32 years. 3 years back an incident occurred. Importance of friendship. I was in Tamil Nadu, Chennai. I know very well that even Mr. Surendranath is working in Chennai. He's in different life. In fact, Porur on one side, my college was there. Porur on the other side, his office was there. So when I went, I don't know a single word in Tamil. I was searching for a house. He was helping me. He was supporting me. There was a favorite house selected. I requested him to come over. We both of us went. The flat was good. It was okay and we were talking. And he said, it's a fact, I'm not exaggerating. The importance of friendship. I'm telling you the importance of friendship by which I got an advantage. He said the 3 lakh rupees. I'm not exaggerating. The figure is 3 lakh rupees advance and per month 20,000 rent. He said that. I was in dilemma whether to say yes or no. And at the same moment, I got a conference call. I want to attend that call, so I came out. He introduced himself as a friend of since 1990 and he was saying 1987 to 1990. My graduation was in Royal Academy in Girimetal. He was sharing all my memories. Surendranath was sharing all my memories in my absence. And after the conference, again I went inside. The owner, Mr. Ravi, I think, he said only one word. I could able to understand the bond between you even after 35 years. So we'll make the advance 3 lakh rupees zero. It's a fact. We made 3 lakh rupees zero. And 20,000 rent, he made it as 12,000. So this is the importance of friendship I would like to tell you before you. I would like to put it before you. And this is the incident I was remembering when these guys were telling me. Mr. Farewell and Mrs. Farewell. Really, there is a lot of influence of the friendship of your friend in your personal life. All of you said, all guys they were speaking about positive about the role of friendship. Yes, it's a fact. And it's an experience in my life. Just 3 years back, I experienced 3 or 4 years back. Now, coming back, boys and girls, and my dear teachers, really, it's a fantastic event where the guys, all are teenagers, 16 years to 18 years, boys and girls, they conducted wonderful performance, and Mr. Farewell and Mrs. Farewell. It was really fantastic. Of course, we are given the marks scale on the top of it, on the top of it. Even you guys, your frequency is higher than our frequency. We are towards west side. Our sun is towards west side, your sun is towards east side. Your rising suns, we are setting suns. You might have seen many competitions. Mr. Mrs. India, Mr. and Mrs. Asia, Mr. and Mrs. World, Mr. and Mrs. Universe. And all these things, and all these events, and even in our page, Celestia 2025, S1 for heaven. Yesterday we explored. Narsimha, where are you? I don't know. I cannot see you. Myself and Narsimha, we explored. And junior girl, she said, yeah, I've taken that name, J1 girl. I cannot remember the name. All good. Shrutika said that she's given the name. Yes, really it is heaven. Heaven is having many sections. Heaven, like we have sections, there also we have a section for joys. Section for academics. Yes, I mean. Section for academics. Section for culture academics. Section now, this Urban Celestia 2025 is section for cultural activities. We are born to peak. When we think about the academics, yes, we are moving towards heaven. Many missiles are there. Tejas missiles are Brahmas. We are having many Brahmas. And one among the person who is who I am remembering is Mr. Ashwath and Mr. Arshad. Mr. S1 is Ashwath, Dhanush, and here Arshad. Of course, girls that are doing equally good and wonderfully good. Coming back to farewell. Here, the thing what plays a vital role to become Mr. Farewell or Mrs. Farewell is your mind stability. The clarity in your thinking, the way in which you are answering, it all depends on the clarity of your thinking. So which we have seen in almost all the guys, and the way in which they present, that plays a vital role. This is the, I can say, footstep for their future. So it's a wonderful performance, boys and girls. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir, for that inspirating speech. Now, since we're all on a low note, let's all take a lunch break and come back for more exciting performances.
I promise that the after lunch performance will be as equal as that of morning session.
Lunch break and are ready for the next exciting segment of chemistry.
The morning was filled with energy, talent and grace. Now the afternoon promises to be as engaging as we continue with more performances in the final round of Mr. and Miss Farewell. To begin with the second half of our cultural program, we invite all the teachers and principals here to give the awards.
performance prepared with dedication.
Please welcome Nihali and group and with adorable performance.
Bye.
from Senior and Macy. the winner, the talent round.
This round, finalize the contest shall show their own talent to score the score digits.
The finalists are as follows. For Mr. Fairwell, we have Venkat and Yatin. For Miss Fairwell, we have Sanjana and Nihali. I request all the 4 contestants to be ready for the final round. I request Yatin and Venkat to come onto the stage.
Talent to showcase, but let me get you a short stand-up comedy kind of thing. So let me begin. You know what's the real talent? The student life. Every teacher says, this chapter is very easy. Yes, easy for you, not for us. We are studying it for the first time, man. What is this? We students plan our future very seriously. After exams, we say, I will study daily. But it is after exams, so anyways, doesn't matter. And after one day, I'll be next year Pakka. For suppose this is 2025, I say January से शुरू करेंगे. January से शुरू करेंगे हो जाएगा. But नहीं होगा. And I study everything. I study everything except the question which come in the exam. Okay? Please don't mind. Zoli sir, don't please dare me for this time. Thank you. And one thing I don't understand. Why is my syllabus so big? Sir, please. Why is my syllabus so big? It's too hard to cover all 4 subjects. I say we should reduce 2. Or best reduce all 3 of them. We'll study 1 through subject. What is the need of physics in BPC, sir? It's okay. And the one thing I learned from online classes is to play games. A very huge talent I developed from online classes to play very good games. I played around 15 games, I guess. I have all of them in my phone also. Best time pass right now. And one more thing I want to say is my parents say, we just want you to be happy. And they'll say, I want you to get good marks. How is it possible? Can you please tell me, sir? How is it possible? It is not possible. But at the end of the day, my happiness matters, sir. So I enjoy rather than studying. I hope chemistry sir is here. Thank you. And yeah, if talent is just experience, trust me, I have none. Thank you.
Big talent actually. Now I call upon Sanjana Didi to perform.
Coca, 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 Mr. Fairwell. Any guesses on Mr. Fairwell? Tell me. It is Venkat.
Venkat finally!
It's a well-known fact. పుట్టగానే పరిమళించిన తీరులో నిహాలి
I request Trishul Anna to come and give vote of thanks.
Good evening to everyone present here. On behalf of Urban Junior College and the entire Calistia Organizing Committee, I, Trishul, taking the privilege to propose the formal vote of thanks. First and foremost, I express our sincere gratitude to our Principal and Director of Academics, Srinivas Sir, for his kind concern, encouragement and guidance, which made this event possible. Thank you, sir. We extend our heartfelt thanks to our Vice Principal Narasimha Sir for his continuous guidance and for helping us overcome every hurdle during his planning and execution of this program. A special note of appreciation to our Director, Kalyan Sir, for his extended cooperation. Thank you, sir. We are thankful to all our teachers for their cooperation and mentorship, which helped the participants practice, improve, and perform confidently. Your support played a key role in the success of today's event. Our sincere gratitude to our administrative officers, Avinash Sir, Rajshekar Sir, and our special Devendra Sir for their concerned support, coordination, and assistance throughout the preparations. We also thank the technical team, discipline committees, sound and stage crew, and housekeeping staff for their behind-the-scenes efforts that ensured the event ran smoothly. A special appreciation goes to the students who played a major role in this organizing this. Rishik, Santosh, Varun, Abhinay, Gautam, Sanjana, Anish, Lohit, Varun, Sudhamshu, Ashmit, Shrutika, Hasini, Pravina, Omkar, Akshita, Srinidhi, Akhil, Dilip, Saif, Praneet, Vineet. Your teamwork, dedication and hard work were the backbone of Calicia 25. To all the performers and Mr. and Miss Favor contestants, thank you for your enthusiasm, talent, confidence and grace. You truly made this farewell memorable. And finally, to all our students, thank you for your active participation and for making Calicia 25 the farewell for the batch of 24-26. Truly special. Once again, thank you to everyone who contributed to the success of this event. We wish our seniors all the very best for their future. Please stay back and enjoy the rest of the evening with a spectacular DJ session. Thank you. All of you please raise up for National Anthem.
Come Bad music,